Hello everyone. So if you want to enable or disable your FaceTime on iPhone 12 Pro, you are to open up your settings. Now scroll down to your notifications tab. Here it is, your notifications tab, find your FaceTime, and in your FaceTime you should find your allow notifications option. So this one is really important. So enable or disable it, toggle the switch next to it to turn it on or off. If it looks like this, it means it's off. If it turns like this, it means it's on, right? And basically that's it. If FaceTime isn't sending notification, make sure these options are enabled. So time sensitive notifications, you can choose your style, you can choose the style of alerts, where would you get it, on lock screen, notification center, and banners, and so on and so on. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.